Asuntoskeittiö Pohjolan puisto.
Amazing also. What was the address here? Pohjankulma?
Yeah.
Or stickers. Hey, we have also stickers here, but we also need to stick a seat. There are several clothes here, built by ValmetSchlieren in 1979. This is actually the turn of the year, 1979, 1980. The sticker speed is from 1980.
Yeah.
The number speed is 5604, the capacity is 4 boxes of 25 grams. Also in Tampere, to my force, become a bit of Finland. And let's try two rides here. And very awesome, even though it's new.
Yeah.
And it's faster.
Niissä tippaakin väskytään, että me eteenpäin Pirkanmaisesta tekniikkaa.
And back to the basement floor or street level. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. You can also touch the speaker, and I hope that we can get to the staircase as soon as possible.
That's